How to set the boot screen logo of LODARK radio? Download or design your favorite icon, car logo or other free pictures online. As materials, save the picture to a USB flash drive. Turn on the radio and insert the USB flash drive. Open the folder application and find the location of the USB flash drive. Create a folder named mycar. Copy your logo picture to the mycar folder and confirm that the picture has been copied correctly. Exit the folder application, open the settings program, enter the factory settings and enter the password. Find the boot screen logo option in the factory settings. Use the left and right arrow keys to select your logo picture. Click the selected logo picture and wait for the setting to complete. After the setting is completed, the radio will display the new boot screen logo you set. Come and try it.